Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Kyrpad ka Airports Authority of India AAI ban Shimti no kakat Liengsuiñ halor ka nongrim operations and maintenance nagabenta ban Pynïaid ki Liengsuiñ ki bangyam at hungud ki brio ban sedang ki kam ki jam banyo ka license nagabenta ban Pynïaid kakat Liengsuiñ ka jingtmu jang ka Jylla ka long ban Pynïaid shu kakat Liengsuiñ khnang mo anla ban penpoi ki Liengsuiñ ki bakham he kum ki Liengsuiñ ATR 72 Ka Airports Authority of India kala daban IT yaki Kyrpad detail project report balapin kreaus nem aja shipho ban aja khatnyo ban halor ka nongrim jangkini ka Sorkar Jylla kala penyo shu sa sanfunrio point san akar ka jaka
This day is indeed a very, very memorable and a very happy day for all the citizens of this place, Garo Hills in general, and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. I take this opportunity to thank the Airport Authority of India and the Transport Department for having concluded the signing of this very, very important MOU, which will further facilitate the starting of an operationalization of this airport and the starting of services for the future. I don't want to see another meeting where we have to go for another expansion in the future. Let us do the expansion of whatever is required to be done so that for the next 30 years we don't have to worry about the runway and about flights to land, because at one point in time, maybe it may take us years, maybe decades, but at one point in time, large commercial flights will be viable in Baltic Airport also. And what is important for us to note is that this should become not just a hub for passengers to be transported. My vision is to make this into a logistics hub, to have large storage areas. Garo Hills and Meghalaya is a large producer of vegetables and fruits, flowers, things that are required in large cities. And because of logistic problem, we are not able to send our products to the large consuming centers. The biggest challenge that I have seen for our farmers, especially for Northeast, is not about production. There are problems in production, blah, 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 other things. But the immediate challenge to make things viable in the long run is logistics network. The chain of cold storages, the large storage around the airport, the regular flights of cargo from the airport to the main cities, and private sector coming in and being that integrator, aggregator for this transportation. So my goal and my vision is to see that this airport becomes one of those larger logistics hubs, which I feel it can because of its geographical location. We are 20 minutes flight from Dhaka, literally. I know the political situation is complicated now, but decades from now, we are closest to Dhaka. We are closest to Kolkata. Shillong is right next to us. Even flying from here to other locations like Bangkok and other locations, we have a geographical advantage because we are in the southernmost part. So I see this as a huge opportunity, and we need to lay the foundation stones on basis of the vision for the next 30 years and 50 years, and not on the current traffic of Garo Hills and of Tura of Meghalaya.